Darkness gives us the motivation to move forward, and a bright solar lights up the whole world together with you. Our all-in-one integrated solar street lights from 15 watts to 120 watts are 100% powered by the sun power, reducing the lighting costs directly to zero. Bright Solar is creating a remarkable monument in solar streetlight industry. The light transmittance of our high-efficiency mono-solar panel is more than 90% and can convert the solar energy into electricity in the environment from 45 degree to 85 degree. Unique design of appearance shows the top level of industrial aesthetics. Integrated with the 45mm thickness aluminum alloy frame made of real aluminum material, high transmittance lens, powerful radiator, new designed airflow system in aluminum alloy frame solves the heat dissipation issues and can guarantee the longer lifetime of light. With the double support structure inside, the lamp has a better performance in stability and safety, and there is no misalignment or looseness. High-efficiency lithium-ion battery and lithium iron phosphate battery can work perfectly during the temperature of -20 degree to 60 degree. During the night, the system uses the battery and LED to light up a big area. The controller with the MPPT charging mode can automatically track the maximum current of the solar panel, and its efficiency is around 20% higher than other controllers, especially in winter or cloudy days. With infrared human motion sensor, the light can work full power when people walk into the sensing range. When people walk out of the range, the light can dim to certain power as required. At the same time, it can flexibly adjust the percentage of lighting power according to special requirement. This design can save the energy effectively and fully meet the actual needs of the client. What we use is 3 LED chips from USA, high lumen and luminous efficiency with low light decay, with more than 80,000 hours lifetime, energy saving and environmentally friendly. Waterproof plug design makes it safety in use, much convenient and practical. With professionally selected material superior to peer products, Bright Solar only supplies high-quality crowned products. Because of the perfect quality, we dare to promise to our clients. Products are covered by 3 years of long warranty. Compared with the traditional solar street light, the all-in-one solar light has the advantages of easy for installation, much more efficient and economical. In the village, in the park, in the square, wherever it needs the solar light, Bright Solar all-in-one integrated solar street light, just like the dazzling stars, which light up the